Hey guys, today we're making Mexican party chicken or Mexican baked chicken because I'm going to be baking it. But this is what we make when we're going to have barbecues. And let me show you that I put slits in the chicken. You don't have to do that, but I do that. You can get it with skin, without, however you like. Here's the spices I'll be using, and it's a lot. You can use whatever you want, but I'm just showing you the way I'm doing it. So there's Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, garlic salt, black pepper, chicken seasoning, onion powder, smoked paprika, just because I'm not going to be grilling it, so I want it to taste like it's grilled like on a barbecue, adobo seasoning, and the Weber roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is just oil of your choice, but just a little bit of oil. Okay, so you guys have to trust me on this, okay? I know it's gonna look and sound gross, but you're gonna measure with your heart, with the seasonings and with everything I'm about to show you. Get some yellow mustard, ketchup, soy sauce or the Maggi sauce, mayo, and Valentina or Tabasco or Tapatio, like whatever hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce, Smoky Pete's or whatever, Whiskey Pete's, I don't even know. Okay, trust me, but you're gonna put all this into the chicken, okay? And remember that a lot of these things have salt, so go easy on the salt you use, or the garlic salt in my case, because a lot of the seasonings and condiments already have salt, and you do not want salty chicken. Garlic salt, chicken seasoning, Cajun seasoning, Old Bay, la la la. I love garlic, so I'm gonna be putting a ton of garlic. Oh yes! Black pepper, a little bit of onion powder, roasted garlic and herb, the Goya adobo, and smoked paprika. And oh my gosh, I love this stuff. I love the color it gives, I love the flavor it gives. Just empty it on out. Just empty it on out. Boom, 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 boom. Next, I'm gonna put in the mustard, the ketchup, the soy sauce, the mayo, and the Valentina, and then I'll just show you guys what it looks like once it's in there. And by the way, this is 10 chicken leg quarters, and then I just cut them in half so it's the drumstick and the thigh, and then cut slits in the chicken. So this is what it looks like with all the condiments in there. I'm gonna squeeze in one baby lime in there and then mix it all up. And I'm also going to preheat the oven at 400 degrees. All right, so this is what the chicken looks like once I mixed it all up. So you can put this in the fridge, you can marinate it for a few hours, marinate it overnight, but I'm about to put it on this baking sheet that I covered with parchment paper just for easy cleanup. I don't like to wash dishes if I don't have to. Got the chicken all nice and settled in on the pan. Oven is at 400 degrees. I'm gonna stick it in there for like 35 to 45 minutes. I'm at my dad's house cooking. I've never made anything in his oven, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye on it, and hopefully it turns out amazing. All right, the chicken's done. This is what it came out like. I cannot wait to dig in. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. Please like, subscribe, and leave me some comments if you try it out, and let me know what you think.